Hey Arcane crew, the Plexus is now live on arcanedesign.co, so let's get into it. Hey Arcane crew, welcome back. My name is Israel, I'm the founder of Arcane Design. Today I'm so excited to talk to you about the second run of the Plexus. For those of you who might not know, the Plexus is a collaboration knife between Elijah Isham and Arcane Design. It was truly an honor to actually work on this design with Elijah Isham before he passed, so I'm so excited that we not only get to bring this knife design to life, but that we get to do a second iteration. Last year, these sold out almost immediately, so we're so excited to bring them back. Like I stated before, they're available on arcanedesign.co right now. So if you want to go grab one, I suggest you do it quickly because there's limited numbers. But if you're still on the fence of picking one up, let's go through this video of all the specs, dimensions, and all the different color variations that will be available to give you all the information that you need. So let's do it. All right, now that we're at the table, we're gonna walk through the specifications of the Plexus. We're gonna go through dimensions, and I'm gonna show you every single different variant that this knife is gonna come in. There's three primary colors that we're using here. It's gonna be purple, a bluish teal, and a gold bronze look. Right now, the knives that you see right here, the purple, are gonna come in a full stone washed with purple accents, satin blade, belt satin blade with black handles, belt satin blade with stonewash handles, and an all black variant. The knife total length is 8.2 inches with a blade length of about 3.6 inches. As you can tell, it's a pretty dynamic grind, a 3 bevel grind on this blade. It's a Japanese tanto with a hollow ground primary. Very, very slicey and very durable because of the thickness of the tip due to the double compound grind. This is made of MagnaCut steel, which has awesome edge retention, corrosion resistance, and overall toughness is just really stellar with MagnaCut. I think the purple really pops on this variant for sure. The weight is 5.3 ounces. Every single component that you see right here has screwed in from the back. So all of these pieces do not have visible screw holes in them, which makes it a very, very clean look. For those of you who don't know the history of this knife, the Plexus is a design collaboration with my late friend Elijah Isham. Isham Blade Works just was an amazing designer, and so if this is kind of one of the last projects that he had going on before his passing. I'm very proud of this design. It took us about 1.5 years to design, co-design together, and we really spent, dozens and dozens of hours sitting actually next to one another designing this knife. Every single intricate chamfer, the inlays, the insets, the blade grinds, and the actual profile of the knife was carefully thought out and crafted. This is the all black version. It looks very sinister. I really, really like the all black version. I'm keeping one of these for myself. Seen right here, we have the really beautiful bluish teal components on this knife. Again, all of these knives are going to be available in full stonewash, satin black, satin gray, and all black. I think on this one in particular, the full stonewash with that blue makes that color really pop. So I'm super excited about this one as well. Let's go through deployment. This is a frame lock flipper. It's flipper only. It's a beautiful action of the ceramic bearings running on that MagnaCut. It has a steel lock bar insert on the inside. This is another one of my favorite versions. The satin black with blue. It's just so sharp. And this is a third coloration that the Plexus is in. Let's pick up this one right here. This gold bronze hue, it's really nice. It's lightly stone washed, but still has a ton of the color still in there. So if you're wanting something more minimal, maybe not as loud as the blues or the purples, this is a great option. All right, guys, now that you've seen all the different variants that the Plexus comes in, go to arcanedesign.co, click the link below, and purchase yours today. You're not gonna wanna miss this variant. The Magna Cut variants come in at $399, and we're so excited that we get to offer this knife once more. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything that's happening with Arcane Design, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day.